Counting and removing duplicates with distinct. When we are dealing with records that have repetitive values and we would like to eliminate those repetitions, we use distinct clause. For our example, let us try to find out which countries our customers come from. So we write the following query. As you can see, distinct produced deduplicated records. Now let's try something slightly more interesting. Let's count the total countries where our customer base is from. We can wrap our distinct result into a count statement. Count does exactly what it says it will. It just counts the elements. So our query becomes, and as you can see when executing this query, it returns an answer, which is 229. To see otherwise how many customers come from each country, we could select a country and do a count for each country, and group those results by country, as shown in the following example.